Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the settings. Here, we're gonna go and open up the sounds and vibration. We're gonna click on the volume, and we want to make sure that our media volume is basically increased. So as you guys can see, I can increase it. It all works for me. But if it's not working for you, what are we gonna do is we're gonna first clean the speaker grills with a soft brush. So you need to get a soft brush. If you get it, then you will simply see the speaker grill. So this is the first one, and as you guys can see, there's also the second one right here on the other side. If you look into the sides, there's nothing. So you got two speaker grills to clean, and now what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna go, and after cleaning them, we want to disable the Bluetooth audio. So we want to make sure that no Bluetooth device is basically rerouting our audio. We're gonna go to connections. Once you're in connections, just tap on the switch, on the Bluetooth switch, and here what are we gonna do next is restart our phone to refresh the system. We're gonna press the power button and volume down button forward. Keep on holding it and keep on holding it until you see the power menu. Here we want to tap on restart twice, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do as a last resort is we're gonna go over, unlock our phone, and open up settings, update our software. So we want to scroll down to the software update. We want to tap here and click check for updates. Here you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important, because if you're not, then simply older versions tend to have a lot more glitches than the newest ones. That's why we want to update. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.